Two bodies A and B of the same mass undergo complete inelastic one-dimensional collision. So these are the objects A and B. A body moves with velocity v1. The B body, body is B is at rest before the collision. The velocity of the system after collision is v2. The ratio of v1 is to v2 is mass is also same. So in the inelastic collision, what happens is, okay, so the inelastic collision, E is equal to 0. Now what is E? E is the velocity of separation divided by the velocity of approach. Okay, so when this is 0, so that means what? That the velocity of separation becomes 0. Okay, that means okay, so now they are not getting separated. Velocity of separation is 0. That means both are traveling with the same velocity. Okay, so now this is traveling with v and this is also traveling with v. Now by the conservation of momentum, what we have, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So therefore mv1 and plus the B body was at rest, so 0 is equal to mv plus mv, because both of them, they are traveling with the same velocity. So therefore v is equal to v1 by 2, because this is 2 mv and m gets cancelled, so v equals v1 by 2. So now velocity of system, so v1 is to v2. So actually this is v2. v1 is to v2 is going to be v1 divided by v2, which is v1 by 2. Con. So therefore this is 2 is to 1. So therefore A is the answer. Thank you.